Hi, this is Asri watching Mr. A's channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can make padding in our HTML table. Padding is a distance of content from your table lines, from your table border. So let's start. First of all, here you can see this is our HTML tag. This is our heading tag. In the heading, we are using style tag for making the border. This is, you can see, border. So this border will affect on table heading and table data too. So first of all, we are declaring table heading, table data. Next we are making our border. In the table heading and table data, we want a padding of 15 px. You can decrease it with 5 px too. So next we are closing our style because we started our style here. So now we are closing our style tag. In the style tag, we used our border, we used our padding, and next we're gonna enter data. So here also we are ending our heading. So in the body, we are writing our table data, table rows, etc. So these headings you can write for your information about what type of your table creating. So the table style, here is the width of your table. 100% you can make it to 500, you can make it to 40, 30, as much you want. So table row. In the table row, we have first name, we specify the table head, first name, table head, last name, and next we have age. Next we are closing our table row. Next we are again starting our table row where we gonna make the data in the table. Table data, you can see Jill Smith 50. Change, you can change any name of you want. Sorry. So next you are closing your table row tag, ending our table tag, ending our body tag, ending our HTML tag. Let's save it. Dot HTML. Here you can see this value, this table data is much away from these lines or border. So padding is used for making them like this, so they are away from the table border. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, and we are again going for our code.